Spring is here, and if you own a rental in the East Bay, there are 5 things you need to check before summer. Let's go. First, test every smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Replace anything older than 7 years. California law requires both, and failure to maintain them can void your insurance. This one's non-negotiable. Second, your HVAC. Replace air filters, run a full test cycle on both heat and cooling, and schedule your annual service now, before every HVAC tech in the East Bay is booked through August. Third, gutters and roof. Clear out whatever the winter left behind, check for sag or separation in the gutters, and do a visual scan of the roof. Interior water damage from a blocked downspout is entirely preventable. Fourth, your water heater. Test the pressure relief valve, check for corrosion at the base, and confirm the earthquake strapping is intact. A water heater failure in the middle of summer is one of the most disruptive maintenance events in a rental. Fifth, and most important, document everything. Dated photos, written notes, work orders in your system. In California, your paper trail is your legal protection. If it isn't documented, it didn't happen. Full spring checklist. HVAC, plumbing, pest prevention, weather stripping. Linked below. All East Bay properties. We handle the inspections, the vendors, and the documentation. So you don't have to.